Expressway and the spur cross railway lines at 12 locations where rail over bridges have been proposed. At the crossing of local roads, grade separation has been proposed with a flyover, overpass or an underpass for smooth cross-flow of the traffic. It crosses the dedicated freight corridor at 5 locations where a vertical clearance of 8.05 meter has been provided as per guidelines of DFCC. A total of 31 flyovers have been proposed where the expressway crosses over the existing state highways. Taking into account the future widening of the state highways, the flyovers have been typically provided with 3 spans with a central span of 30 meter and obligatory spans of 15 meter with vertical clearance of 5.5 meter. A total of 23 overpasses have been proposed where the expressway crosses under the existing state highways. These have been provided with 2 spans of 40 meters and a vertical clearance of 5.5 meter. On major district roads and other district roads, vehicular underpasses of span 12 meter and vertical clearance of 5.5 meters have been provided. A total of 89 such VUPs have been provided. On smaller village roads, pedestrian underpasses have been proposed with a span of 7 meter and vertical clearance of 3.5 meter. The roads where underpasses have not been provided have been connected to the nearest underpass by service roads for movement of local traffic across the expressway. Service roads have also been provided in the urban locations like the Vasai-Virar region and the Dadra Nagar Haveli to facilitate movement of traffic across the proposed expressway. The total length of service roads is 57 km. Since the expressway is a greenfield alignment and is access controlled, therefore it will be bifurcating the communities and farming land on either side. 266 cattle underpasses of span 5 meter and vertical clearance of 3 meter have been provided at regular interval. These will not only serve as passage for field canals for irrigation purposes, but also serve as balancing culverts in the rainy seasons. Emergency crossovers have been provided for emergency, law enforcement and maintenance operations. These crossovers have been provided at 5 km interval. The crossover consists of a 35 meter wide median opening with barrier post. To mitigate the traffic noise in built-up areas, noise barriers have been proposed at critical location to avoid any inconvenience to residents of nearby properties. The ROW of the expressway shall be fenced to avoid any future encroachments and to prevent stray animals entering the expressway.